Hi guys, it's Bill from Rescue Cats and Stuff. And things ain't looking very good for little Fred today. We noticed first thing this morning that he had visibly shrunk. He's lost weight overnight. There's no point taking him to the vet because he's too small for IV. They won't give him an IV. He's had all the medicine he can have, so they can't give him any medicine. We've syringe fed him this morning. But he won't eat his dinner alone. He's had a little drink of water. But to me, he doesn't look good. He looks as though he's just given up. Sometimes they need a reason to live. I'd like to get him out of there and try and play with him and try and revive him, but they're so vulnerable to the other things that the other cats have got that I don't know whether to take the risk. You can see from his eyes that he's not great. And you can see how much weight he's lost overnight. He's very, very weak. And I don't know what to do for him. I hate this part about trying to look after little animals. If he had a pain and he could speak, he could tell me. Maybe I could help him. Hey, little fella. Oh, he's having some biscuits. Right. In that case, he's eating biscuits. That's incredible. Ginger's doing okay. Sorry I can't get a better view, guys, with this damn cage. Wow. Tina gave him some chicken too. He's going for the chicken. In with his biscuits. Oh, that's fantastic. That's better than I could have hoped. Incredible. Alright guys, pray to the little kitten gods for me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.